Turmeric health benefits. Turmeric is a spice that is commonly used in cooking, particularly in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It has a warm, slightly bitter taste and a golden yellow color. It is also known for its potential health benefits, which may include the following. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory effects. It may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and eczema. Antioxidant effects. Turmeric is a good source of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Cardiovascular benefits. Some research suggests that turmeric may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention. Some studies have found that turmeric may have anti-cancer effects, although more research is needed to confirm these findings. Brain health. Turmeric may have protective effects on the brain and may help improve memory and cognitive function. Digestive health. Turmeric may help improve digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Skin health. Turmeric may have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve skin health and reduce the appearance of acne, scars, and other skin conditions. Diabetes management. Some research suggests that turmeric may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, making it potentially helpful for people with diabetes. Pain relief. Turmeric may help reduce pain and swelling, making it a natural alternative for people with chronic pain conditions. Weight management. Some research suggests that turmeric may help with weight loss by increasing fat metabolism and reducing appetite. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects. It's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the potential health benefits of turmeric and to determine the most effective dosage and duration of use. As with any dietary supplement, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your diet.